you need a video tour of your property, but you didn't have the chance to shoot the video yourself, or you didn't have the budget to order a professional video, well, you're in good hands, because now with Pedra you can upload the pictures of your property and you can select them all and turn them into a video tour that showcases the property in a very professional way with a video that you can download and share anywhere, okay? And the good news is that it's very affordable, it's very easy to make, you don't need to edit, you don't need to shoot, and I'll show you right now how it's done, okay? So let's head to Pedra, all right? And I'll show you the pictures of the property that we have, living room, bedroom, kitchen, and a couple of nice pictures of the exterior. Great. We're gonna select all the images and then we're gonna click on video and create a video. Then once we click on it, we're gonna pick the aspect ratio, okay, in this case landscape, and then we can rearrange the order of the pictures, okay, for the video tour, and we can even change the effects that we will get from the images into videos, okay? And then we click on generate video. In a couple of minutes, we're gonna get some good results like this one, and it looks like a professional shot the video from inside the property. And as you can see, it looks very professional. It's very nice to watch, and it's very easy. You just need the pictures of the property. And here you can see the effects on the exteriors. Look at the water, how it moves. Super realistic, super easy to make with Pedra.